I'm standing outside the New York Stock Exchange. For more than 200 years, this has been the heart of global finance. Trillions of dollars have flowed through Wall Street. Fortunes have been made, and some of the biggest companies in history have raised money here. But today, something is changing. A technology that didn't exist 20 years ago, challenging the traditional financial system. Bitcoin. My question, will Bitcoin and Wall Street compete, or will they merge? Let's talk about it. So what is Wall Street? Wall Street represents traditional finance. Stocks, bonds, banks, investment funds. For decades, if you wanted to invest, you had to go through the traditional system. Everything was controlled by financial institutions. But then came Bitcoin, created in 2009 after the global financial crisis. A completely different idea. I would say a revolutionary idea. A financial system that operates without banks. Let that sink in for a moment. Without borders. Open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The big shift. At first, Wall Street laughed at Bitcoin. Many people called it a scam. Many believe it would disappear. But today, this situation looks very different. Major institutions now own Bitcoin. Spot Bitcoin ETF exists. Some of the largest assets in the world offers Bitcoin exposure to investors. The same Wall Street that once rejected Bitcoin is now building products around it. What's happened next? Some people believe Bitcoin will eventually replace part of the traditional financial system. Others believe Wall Street will absorb Bitcoin and integrate it into the existing system. But let's be honest, there will also be a fight, because this is not just about money. It's about control. It's about power. For decades, banks and institutions controlled access to finance. Bitcoin changed that completely. It gives normal people a way to hold and move value without asking permission. And that is why Wall Street cannot ignore it. Because this is about control, power, and who owns the future of money. That's why regulations like the Clarity Act keep getting delayed. Because if crypto becomes clear, open and legal, the old system loses part of the control. Personally, I think the future is digital, especially in the AI era. I'm not saying the traditional finance will disappear tomorrow, but blockchain technology isn't disappearing either. We are already seeing stable coins, tokenized assets, digital payments, and increasing institutional adoption. So, standing here outside the New York Stock Exchange, one thing is clear: the future of finance is being built right now. And the people who understand both worlds, the traditional finance and crypto, may have the biggest advantage over the next decade. Let me know in the comments, Bitcoin or Wall Street, or both.